All right, let's get a check of that most accurate forecast. And so now we are tracking this storm that is on the way. And the first thing that happens are the winds picking up today into tomorrow. Here in the valley, gusts could be upwards of 30 miles an hour across the high country. We could close in on 60-mile-an-hour gusts. Then in the overnight hours, snow levels start to drop down to 4,500 feet, but we're looking at less than an inch of snow. And by Tuesday morning, we've got just the slightest chance for a scattered shower in the valley, but it's looking like it's going to stay to our north and to our east. As for this morning, temperatures are really nice out there. Low 60s, nice and cool. You might even be able to get away with just a light long sleeve, not even a jacket out there this morning. Across the rest of the state, it is still cold up in Flagstaff, just a degree above freezing at this hour, but we're mild in Kingman, Payson, and Show Low are all starting off in the mid to upper 40s this morning. We're also already starting to see those first breezes up north, 14-mile-an-hour winds in Winslow, closer to 10 miles an hour in Kingman, Show Low, Safford, and Lake Havasu City, but they will pick up later today, and sustained winds up north will be closer to 20 and even 30 miles an hour. Across the state today, we'll see highs in the 60s north of the rim, although Flagstaff will stay in the upper 50s. We're looking at 60s and 70s for the central portion of the state, and we're making our way into the mid 80s through the lower Colorado River Valley, upper 80s for Yuma, mid 80s for the southern portion of the state. 87 is our forecast high here in the valley, and we'll see that in Gilbert, Queen Creek, Tempe, and Ahwatukee. It'll be 85 in Glendale and our Deer Valley neighborhoods, mid 80s out across the West Valley, and north portions of the valley staying in the low 80s for today. Now here's what Futurecast looks like. Clear sunny skies for the rest of the afternoon statewide. Then late tonight, the first round of snow moves in the higher elevations along our northern border, increasing through the Flagstaff area and along the rim by Tuesday morning. And if we see any rain in the valley, it would be before lunchtime tomorrow. But again, it's looking like it stays to our north and to our east. However, this storm system will help drop our temperatures. So we'll put a 50% chance of snow in the forecast for the high country, just 10% in the forecast for Tuesday here in the valley. But those temps go from the upper 80s today to the mid 70s for your Tuesday, staying in the 70s for Wednesday, and then plenty of sunshine. And we're back in the 80s for the second half of the week. And up north, those snow chances will take Flagstaff from the 50s today to the 40s tomorrow, but then much of the rest of the week and into the weekend will be back into the 60s.